Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the GoMacro Macrobar in the Heartwarming Retreat flavor. Not sure what a Heartwarming Retreat tastes like, but we're going to find out. It looks like it's an oatmeal chocolate chip bar, vegan, gluten-free, no GMOs. And in one of these bars there's 260 calories, 9 grams of fat, 35 grams of carbohydrate with 3 fiber, 12 sugar, and 12 grams of protein. There's a little bit of protein in this too, kind of cool. I have a feeling this is going to be like a Cliff Bar of some sort. Heartwarming Retreat. Pretty cool. Ooh. So yeah, it's looks like kind of like a Cliff Bar. It's got the solid sticky exterior. Got oats inside it, chocolate chips. I'm going to get right into this. Different type of stuff in there. That tastes like a Cliff Bar, but better. Oatmeal chocolate chip. Kind of feels like an oatmeal cookie, but with better macronutrients. Different texture than a Cliff Bar, but the same general vibe. That's good. Organic brown rice syrup, number one ingredient. Organic sunflower seed butter, organic protein blend of organic sprouted brown rice protein, organic pea protein. So it's plant-based proteins, a little bit better than anything that Cliff comes out with. So that's really cool. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. Pretty chewy. Has a unique texture to it. As I said, similar to Cliff Bar, but a little different. It's just the easy comparison. So, I'd give the GoMacro Macrobar Heartwarming Retreat Oatmeal Chocolate Chip a 8 out of 10. It's honestly quite good. I'd eat this again. It's like a Cliff Bar, but different texture, different flavor. And I personally like it better. So, go try this out if you haven't before. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.